Hello everyone, you're watching Games channel, and today in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to increase RAM on your computer. So let's start. First of all, you need to click the start button. Then go on computer option, don't click on it, right click on it and click on properties. Now as you can see, my RAM is about 2 GB. Here you can see my RAM is 2 GB. Now I'll increase it to 5 GB. Click on advanced system settings, then under the advanced tab click on settings, then go to advanced tab again. Then as you can see, total packaging file size is equals to 2047 MB. It's 2047 MB, which is about 2 GB, and I'm going to change it to 5 GB. So you have to untick this option, automatically manage packaging file. Then you have to select the drive D or any drive which you have space in. Then you have to choose the option custom size. Then as you can see, my recommended RAM which I can increase is 3070 MB. So I will type in 3070 in both the columns and set this. Then press OK. Now I need to restart my computer. Now if I would click on this OK button, my computer would restart. So as you can see right here, my RAM was almost 2 GB and now it is increased up to 5117 MB, which is 5 GB almost. So I increased my RAM from 2 GB to 5 GB. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.